How do everybody?
You know, right. I've got a giveaway. I've acquired a brand new.
How do?
How do?
How do? Hey, hey. Right, what I've been doing the last couple of days, I've been making a door. What it is, like I was saying in the last video, Sandra hates these. She absolutely hates this, you know, the frame. But it was only a temporary thing anyway. Right, I've managed to make this. But, yeah, it's a mess, isn't it? Right, the problem I'm having is the hinges, these hinges, which you can't see. Hang on. The hinges, these, for the sake of argument, they go flat on the inside. Needless to say, this is too narrow. So I'm thinking of putting a beader wood all the way around and then the hinge can sit. But the problem I'm having as well is these, when you open them up, these underneath, they're too small, which you can see there, can't you? Look. It's supposed to go up to the edge, but because these are a lot narrower that way, I'm goosed. Right, so I've searched high and low. I'm going to ring Magnum Motorhomes up in a minute and ask them if they do it. I'm thinking of using skirting and hoping that they've got it in the light oak. The problem I'm having is this light oak, the board, were from Magnum Motorhomes. This frame here were from O'Leary's. Now, it isn't obviously a perfect match, but it's near as damage. It's still light, isn't it? It's a lighter colour. Yeah, doesn't that look better? A lot better. Brighten it up a bit, I think, anyway. So, if anybody knows where I can get some light oak skirting, I don't know, about 4 inch, 5 maybe, then it's got to be MDF as well. I can get the profiling, not a problem, but I need MDF. Profile will be no good. I won't be able to stick it with a mitre and stuff like that. Yeah, sure about that. Right, so as I say, if anybody can point me in the right direction for some skirting. I'm just wondering though, the flat edge of the skirting, you know, that sits on the floor, I wonder if that'll be covered, you know, in the light oak material, so because it's only that sticky stuff in it that they bake on. Because if they don't, then it's going to be a waste of time doing it. I could buy a sheet of 15mm ply, cut all the doors, route it, and put some light oak knocking trim in. In fact, that's not a bad idea, that. Or I could actually cut them square. And so what it is, you see, Sandra likes this, you know, the stuff that I did the corners with, and plus it would match, wouldn't it? I could actually, if I got the 15mm, cut that down to 15. In fact, I think that is 15, and stick it on all the way around. I could do that. Right, but the problem there is, it's all problems, isn't it? The problem there is, O'Leary's is the cheapest place to get it. Magnum Motorhomes
has a minimum order of 3 sheets. O'Leary's has a minimum order of 2. So I'm knackered. I only need 1 sheet. And they're 99 quid a sheet. So we're buying 200 quid. Well, they're alright. They look very pretty, Sandra.
Don't they?
Would you like to go on and show the world? Yeah, so I'm just wondering, yeah, I could do that. How can I get away with it? The only thing I could do is drive all the way to Grimsby to pick up 1 sheet. Oh, and it's 45 quid delivery as well. So we're like 250 quid just in the cupboards. And then I'll go buy some more of this. It's a pain, isn't it? Right, this is getting boring now. Right, so if anybody knows anywhere where I can get some skirting, 5-inch skirting or 4-inch, yeah, and I can just make the cupboards, you know. Right, I've got a giveaway. I've acquired a brand new, still in the box, 30 amp solar charge controller. So anybody who's going to be fitting solar, and you were thinking of buying, if you wasn't going to buy an MPPT, that's the reason I'm getting rid of this, by the way, is because I've got an MPPT, and obviously this is a PWM. Right, like I say, it's 30 amp, brand new, and it looks like that. Very pretty. 2 USB points. It's very nice, isn't it? It isn't a dual battery. It's just solar, and then you've got your, bloody hell, I forgot what it's called now. Your load thing, haven't you? Got your load. There'll be a battery, and then your solar. You've got a nerdy-gurdy on top there. That, which it actually comes with one, like that. Now why, I don't know, because I think something should be stuck at the end of there like wire, unless there's some way of doing it. Anyway, that does actually go on there, it does fit in that. But I think that's going to be for your heat sensor. Right, so how do you get it? Right, so how do you get it? Right, simple. If you're watching on YouTube, just comment below. That's all you need to do. Just put enter me in the draw, anything like that. Right, if you're watching this on the Talbot Owners Club forum, it's only open to donated members. If you're not a donated member, don't bother. Your entry will be deleted. Not being funny, it's just a bit of payback for the donations, etc. So if you want to enter the draw, donate. When your name turns red, then you can enter. Right, it's as simple as that. Simple. Simple. Just comment below saying that you want to be entered into the draw. I'm going to have a draw on it. It isn't an expensive one. I think they're about 25 quid, I think. But if somebody's going to buy one, get it for no, I'll even ship it for you. Freebies. And I'll put you a sticker in. How do, sticker? Yeah. Right, so anybody who wants it, just comment below. And what is it today? Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I'll put all names into a hat and do a draw. See who gets it. So, good luck, and thanks for watching. And like I say, if anybody knows where I can get some of that skirting, I've seen it somewhere, and I just can't think for life in me where. I've even Caravan Warehouse. Let's say I'm going to ring Magnum now because I forgot all about Magnum. I've rung O'Leary's. Oh, I've rung loads of places, to be honest. Right then, so Catch you later. Bye bye.